Good morning, students. Welcome to the SST class. Civics Unit 1 Understanding Diversity. Take your book page number 195. Family and Society. Family constitute the fundamental unit of a society. There are two types of families: joint families and nuclear families. Families live in a harmonious neighborhood. Hundreds of neighborhoods collectively form a village, and thousands of them group together in a city. The needs of people and the interdependence of communities for amenities such as water, food, electricity, education, housing, and so on bring us together to live in harmony. Thought we are diverse in our culture practices, we are united and interdependent socially. Religious diversity. Our constitution declared India to be a secular nation in which all religions are treated equally. Listen, our constitution declares India to be a secular nation in which all religions are treated equally. The freedom of religions is our fundamental rights. India is the birthplace of many religions and has become the home of many others. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Zoroastrianism flourish in India. India is the land of festivals where people from different religions engage in many colorful celebrations in different parts of the country and coexist harmoniously. The wide varieties of festivals celebrated of India is true manifestations of its rich culture and traditions. Festivals like Pongal, Deepavali, Holi, Vijayadashmi, Ayudha Puja, Navaratri, Durga Puja, Dasarada, Ganesh Chaturthi, Bihu, Kumbh Mela, Onam, Miladi Nabi, Ramzan, Christmas, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti, Guru Nanak Jayanti, and Raksha Bandhans are some of the festivals that denote the cultural diversity of India. Linguistic diversity. According to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. The four major languages families are Indo-Aryans, Dravidians, Austroasiatics, and Sino-Tibetan. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Historically, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British, the Danish, and the French came to India for trade, and their occupation of India or some parts of it has left behind a certain impact upon the culture and language of the people. Because the British ruled over the entire country for over 300 years before independence in 1947. The English language gained prominence in the India. In due course, English has emerged as an important language and the medium of instruction in school and colleges. It is widely used in official communication and daily life. Next, do you know? The Constitution of India recognized 22 languages as official languages. The Government of India has declared Tamil as the first classical language in 2004. Apart from Tamil, 5 other Indian languages has been declared as the classical languages by the Government of India. Next, we see about the top 5 languages spoken in India as per 2001 census. First one for language. Next one, percentage of total population. Hindi 41.03%, Bengali 8.10%, Telugu 7.19%, Marathi 6.99%, Tamil 5.91%. Next, take your material page number 154. First Roman. Answer the following question. First Roman for the second question. What are the types of diversity? Once again listen. What are the types of diversity? Landforms and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religious diversity, linguistic diversity, cultural diversity. Once again listen. Landforms and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religious diversity, linguistic diversity, last one cultural diversity. Next, see the fourth question. Write the names of three major festivals celebrated in India. Pongal, Diwali, Hindus; Miladinami, Ramzan, Muslims; Christmas, Easter, Christians. Once again listen. Pongal, Diwali, Hindus; Miladinami, Ramzan, Muslims; Christmas, Easter, Christians. Next, second Roman. Answer in detail. First question. Explain linguistic diversity and cultural diversity. So first one, linguistic diversity. According to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. According to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. Four major languages families are Indo-Aryans, Dravidian, Asterocians and Sino-Tibetan. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Historically, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the Britain, the Danish and the French came to India for trade. In due to course, English has emerged as important language. It is widely used in official communication and daily life. Next, cultural diversity. The term culture refers to customs and practices of people, their language, their dress code, cuisines, religions, social habits, music, art and architecture. The culture of a group of people is reflected in their social behavior and interactions. Art and architecture are an integral part of every community. It develops as a part of cultural and tradition of a community. Once again listen. Art and architecture are an integral part of every community. It develops as a part of culture and tradition of communities. Next is see the third Roman, very long answer. List out the various festivals celebrated in India in different states. List out the various festivals celebrated in different states. So first one, Andhra Pradesh, Brahmosthavam; Arunachal Pradesh, Losar Festival; Assam, Bohag Bihu; Bihar, Chhat Puja. Next one, Chhattisgarh, Bastar Dussehra; Goa, Carnival; Gujarat, Janmashtami; Haryana, Baisakhi; Himachal Pradesh, Mahasivaratri; Jharkhand, Holi; Karnataka, Yugadi; Kerala, Onam; Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi; Tamil Nadu, Pongal, Thaipusam. Students, write the homework neatly and send your homework to your class teacher. Thank you, students.